Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to start using automation rules in Brainer so you can automatically advance or archive candidates based on predefined conditions. This is especially useful if you want to streamline your workflow and reduce manual actions during the hiring process. After you define the requirements, you will come to the Automations tab and you will start defining the different rules. These rules will apply for all new candidates evaluated in Brainer. If you already have candidates in Brainer, these automation rules won't apply unless you re-evaluate the candidates, okay? So I will define two rules, one for advanced and another one for archive. So I will click new automation. I will name the automation rule so I can then identify it. So for example, in this case, I will assign archive location and I will archive candidates that don't live in the United States. So I will select this criteria not met and then I will select archive candidate and the archive reason. In this case, I will select, for example, unresponsive. And I will click create. Then I will define another one for advanced, and I will use score if the score is more than 80, and I will add also that the candidate has more than 8 years of experience in backend development projects, and that the candidate has more than 6 years of experience. Okay. So if the candidate meets all these conditions, because I have here all filters, then the candidate will be advanced to the stage Brainer approved, for example. Here I can select any filters, so if I select here any filters, if the candidate meets any of these requirements, the candidate will be advanced. In this case, I will select all filters because I want all of them to be met. I can also add one related to profile insight if I want to include something related to the candidate insights, okay? So, for example, if the current company equals to something, then I can use it also as a criteria, okay? In this case, I will only keep these three, and I will click create. I will also include another one related to score. So if the candidate scores less than 40, I will archive the candidate as underqualified, okay? And I will click create. What I can also do is change the order. These rules will be applied in this order. First, we will look for archive location. If the candidate does not meet this rule, then the advanced will be applied, and if this is not met, then the archive score. So I will put the advanced at the end, so if the candidate is not archived because of these two rules, then we will check if the candidate meets this to advance the candidate, okay? After we have defined the rules, we'll come to the candidates tab, and you will see that when we receive new candidates or when we import candidates, these automation rules will be applied. And you will see that after the candidates are processed, the automation rules will be applied. And as you can see, as soon as candidates are evaluated, they are advanced or archived based on the rules. For example, this candidate does not live in the United States, so the candidate is archived. In this case, the candidate meets the two criteria and the score is more than 80, so the candidate is advanced, okay? Perfect. So, hope this video was helpful. If not, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.